Hello again, loves. Rebecca here, and welcome back to a Trace Jolie design team layout. And today we're gonna see about this card kit here with all these fun items. So we're gonna do a 12 by 12 layout. I'm gonna use one of these white 12 by 12 pieces of paper. We're gonna do Be With Maggie in the background, the little fireplace. And we're gonna go, we're gonna just pull out all of these fun purples and see what we can create, right? Whoa. Isn't this like some of the, like, I'm going for the purple corner in case you guys were like, that's pink, Becky. In case you guys were wondering what my thought process was on this, I don't know. We're gonna wing it. We're gonna see what we can do. I just really thought the purple would go very well with the picture. It's a little purpley toned down in the Hubs' man cave. It's where the girls spend their winters. Alright, let's see what else we have. Alright, that's what we got for that. Alright. So, I'm going to put B there. But I was thinking about making a starburst. So, what I'm going to do is I am going to cut some funky little shapes and we are going to starburst all around because I think that's kind of fun and a good way to use up a portion of these papers. So, give me a minute. I'm going to go ahead and get that created, get these all cut, and we'll be right back. Alright, so that is kind of how we've got it laid out. So I am going to tack all of this down, otherwise I'll never get it back to where it was. So I'm just going to use some liquid adhesive. I am using the textured side of the cardstock. And let's pull this one just a little bit more. I want to make sure that it runs off over there and leaves a gap. I'm just going to kind of keep turning it. Make sure that we're getting everything. Squeezed it down, and then I'm going to go ahead and trim that. Okay, we just keep turning. So this one, I don't know, can we make that? Nope, we're going to go in. I like it like that, yeah. And this one, I just want to make sure that I run it off the page. And then that one's stuck down. All right. So we're going to pull that up. And I usually just come in and snip these off so there's not a big lump behind the picture. So, and we'll just get these little pieces stuck down just for added security. Okay. My phone is going nuts. I also did some fussy cutting of some of those purple papers. Also, I am the absolute 100% worst at cutting angles, like on the for real. Like it's bad. So I try not to ever do it on screen because it is a bit on the frustrating side. So if you have not signed up for this kit club, first of all, what are you waiting for? And if you have, it is greatly appreciated. Just drop my name. All right, so that Kim knows. Sorry, so this is supposed to hang this way, but I'm not gonna lie, when I like it this way. And then we're gonna run this piece right like that. So I am going to figure out something for right there. I think I'm gonna cascade some florals in there because it was just a tad too short. But this was all fussy cut from the pattern papers that we pulled. Pull this up. Just get this one stuck right in here. Just to add a bit of layering to what we've got going on. Okay. And I'm going to glue that down. And I put a little bit of glue there so that it would squeege out all the way to the end. I know I keep saying squeege, and I'm sure somebody's going to be upset about that, so it's just my fun little word. Let's pop this up on some foam. Okay, and that is going to sit here. Okay. Kind of thinking, let's bring in, see, how do we open this? All right, like this. Maybe not. There we go. I think I just broke a nail. No matter how many times I try to be super easy and not rip up the packaging, I always rip up the packaging. So this is just really, really cute little shadow box in itself, so you could always use that to create as well. So let's come in. I kind of like the top hat guys. They kind of just sitting down there, right? Maybe we won't put one over there, but I do want one over here. Because she's got a head on. She's wearing her dad's hat. I know, dogs don't wear hats, but mine do. And also I need to cover that little piece right there. So we're going to use some liquid glue, and we're going to leave it just as is. Okay. So let's see what else we have, but I know, you know what, I forgot something that I wanted to do. So we are purple. I know that I have a purple. I'm gonna have to find it, but it's a G2 gel pen that's purple, and I want to use that, and I'm gonna outline. So give me a minute to find that pen. I just gotta look through some cases because I'm a pin freak. And I'm going to outline all of these in purple and then see what else we can come up with. So give me just a minute and I'll be right back. All right, so we have got some stuff going on here. I did take and add another little silhouette. I've tucked in some more fussy cut pieces and popped up these little guys on some foam. And now we are going to take some ancient gloss spray and do some splatters, because I really do think that this needs it all in here. And this is splattering nicely. I mean, I'm making quite a mess. But on the other hand, it's looking very, very nice. So you can kind of just, you know, have a play with it, see what you like. All right. We need to clean that up, and that's going to do it, you guys. So don't forget to check out Jolie, the Kit Club. You will not be disappointed with any of the things that you pick up. If you found this on my personal YouTube channel, please head on over to the Trace Jolie YouTube, go to the Facebook groups, do all the fun things, and make beauty. Art is beauty. It's therapy. It's love. All right. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you later with another video. Bye.